Welcome to Morocco, beyond the guidebook. Here are simple tips to help you explore Morocco like a local and make memories that last forever. Morocco's culture is a mix of Arab, Berber, and French influences. Greet with your right hand, never the left. Dress modestly, especially in rural areas and near mosques. Keep public affection private and always ask permission before taking photos. Respect earns you smiles everywhere you go. The local currency is the Moroccan dirham. Exchange money at banks or airports and always carry small notes for local markets. Credit cards work in big cities, but cash is king in small towns. Stay healthy while you travel. Drink only bottled or filtered water. Protect yourself from the sun and stay hydrated. Major cities have excellent hospitals, but travel insurance is still a smart idea. Morocco is easy to explore. Take ONCF trains for long trips, CTM or Super Tours buses for comfort, and taxis for short rides. If you drive, be cautious. Local roads can be rough. Stay in a riad for a truly Moroccan experience. These traditional homes have beautiful courtyards. Boutique hotels and family guest houses also offer warm hospitality. Book early during busy seasons to get the best stay. Moroccan food is unforgettable. Try tagine, couscous, and pastilla, rich in flavor and tradition. Street food is great, just make sure it's clean and fresh. Exploring souks is an adventure in itself. Haggle politely, it's part of the fun. Look for authentic crafts like leather bags, rugs, and ceramics. Carry small cash for smooth deals, and watch out for fakes. Morocco is more than what guidebooks can tell. Respect the culture, savor the food, and let every moment surprise you. Enjoy your Moroccan adventure and make it truly unforgettable.